Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can work the headrests on a Citroen C3. This is a 2021 model. So for the height, all we have to do is, you don't have to press any buttons, you just start lifting it up to the height that you want it to be. So for example, you have 1 there, 2, 3, 4. But then if we want to put it down, you have to use this little button at the side here. So we're pushing in, and that then allows us to push it down. So it will lift up without the button, but to put it down, you need to push the button in. Now, if you want to remove the headrest completely, make the seat go back like this. So for example, if you want to clean it, then what we're going to do is we're going to push the button in and we're just going to take it completely out. And with the seat right the way back, you will have access to take it out like so. And then to put it back in, we just need to put it in like that and then press this button in and it will go right the way to the bottom again. So that's the same on the passenger side and the driver's side. And if you look at the rear headrest, they're the exact same principle as well. The button is always on the right hand side here and you just press it in like so. Nice and easy. Thanks for watching.